Northeast India is seen as the potential growth engine of the country. And to achieve that goal, emphasis has to be laid on developing and nurturing an entrepreneurial ecosystem by promoting entrepreneurs and startups. Specifically in the agri and allied sector, owing to the region's agrarian economy. And that's when agribusiness incubators like Northeast Agricultural Technology Entrepreneurs Hub, popularly known as NEET eHub, come in and play the role of a catalyst.
NEET eHub, we got the program in September 2018, and since then, under this particular program, we received more than 1,000 applications from the young people of this part of the country, covering all the northeastern states. And through this particular program, the purpose is to develop some kind of ecosystem for entrepreneurship development, not only in the field of agriculture and allied, but any other field where our young people, they feel that I can become a self-employed person and I can employ my young colleagues of the region.
Established in Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat, to create a robust and sustainable entrepreneurial ecosystem. NEET eHub is an Atal Incubation Center and a knowledge partner under the RKVY Raftar scheme.
We are an incubator housed in the Assam Agriculture University in Jorhat, Assam. Our incubator is primarily for supporting startups and entrepreneurs working in the agri and allied agri domain, and we focus on the northeast region of India. As we all know, there has been a report of the Niti Aayog, Government of India, which states that close to about 69 odd million youth would be coming into the workforce between 2012 and 2021. And I guess these new 69 odd million youth coming in would certainly be needing certain kind of jobs that they need to be gainfully employed. So there is a need for job creators, literally.
We are looking for those people who can find solutions to such problems. So each problems come with a set of opportunities for it. So an entrepreneur will always look from a point of view of finding out an opportunity to get a solution for a particular problem.
We support entrepreneurs who are both at idea stage as well as at early stage of startups by providing them a host of services, which of course includes physical co-working spaces, mentorship, institutional linkages, IP and technology transfer support, and a plethora of such kind of ancillary services which help them in registering their company or filing for patents, for instance, or networking with right kind of market players so as to be scalable and sustainable in the days ahead. And of course, the most important element of giving them grants in the form of seed funding or even raising subsequent funding for them by supporting them, by bringing them venture capitalists, so on and so forth.
Northeast Agriculture Technology Entrepreneurs Hub, or in short which we call as NEET eHub, we are looking for such youth who are able to come up with innovative solutions for such problems that is faced by the farming community. A few core sectors in which the youth can innovate are like farm mechanization. To cite you an example, we have got an incubator out here at NEET eHub who has developed battery operated paddy transplanter which can be moved by a single person.
We are an incubator at NEET eHub. Here, they have provided us mentoring support along with the other facilities and this lab space where we have set up a very well equipped lab mushroom production unit. The protocol for the production of spawn demands a very sterile condition and the facilities provided by NEETi Hub have assured the maintenance of a problem-free running of the unit.
We have been very fortunate to get incubated in NEETi Hub, and this is a great working space as we are getting opportunity to interact with other startups and exchanging our ideas, getting innovative ideas to improve our business. And we have been frequently interacting with experts from NEETi Hub, which is also contributing to the development of our business.
Apart from providing financial assistance through its various flagship programs, NEETi Hub offers a wide range of facilities such as physical space, network activities, back office support, marketing linkages, mentors and advisors to enable startups to structure their business and make them investment ready to potential investors. In the last 2 years since its inception, it has supported more than 50 startups, and as many as 11 companies have received funding of approximately 1.35 crores. NEETi Hub aims to create entrepreneurs who are capable of bringing innovative solutions to the myriad of problems in the region and envisage the dream of the Northeast becoming the growth engine of the country.